Hello world, my name is Ben and this is AnyLogic 101, a video series where I explore and share quick tips I learned over the years. Today I want to explore how we can open a website from a user interface element in AnyLogic. And it's very simple. Let's just take a button as the simplest way forward to do something. And it's a simple command. It used to be more complicated, but I think with AnyLogic 8, they opened up a couple of functions that are really helpful for this. So the magic here is to use getExperimentHost, which gives you the host of your experiment, and then you have a very simple command called openWebsite. So why don't we open my website? And let's see if this works. Let's compile the model, click the button, and by default what you see is you get this little pop-up window for the user, basically saying, well, the model is asking you to open an external URL. Are you happy with that? And note that it's actually showing the full URL, just to make sure users are okay with that, and security-wise it's all fine. But if you do allow that and click on it, then you'll be taken to whatever website you've specified. So very quick, very sweet. Obviously, as usual, you don't need to use a button for this. You could use a rectangle and use the on-click code box to do the same thing. So you're as flexible as you want. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.